I'm at Sales Holiday Park in Lake Macquarie. This safari tent is accessible, so there is a rubber ramp. Wonderful feature that I particularly like is the lowered kitchen bench tops, glide under sink, and the fact that things are accessible and reachable, including the microwave and the refrigerator. Moving through to the accessible bathroom, you have your wall-mounted fold-down shower seat. They've already lowered the shower nozzle without me having to ask, which is just wonderful. Easy to reach the amenities, and the convenience of a DDA compliant accessible toilet, but also a height adjustable over toilet chair. So we have a lot of requests for people to be able to sit higher. And moving through to where the vanity is, you'll notice that the mirror is just a little bit too high, and we've suggested a pull-out mirror that's mounted on the wall, and they have very kindly agreed to go ahead and purchase that, and they said we'll do it straight away. Moving through, you've got a romantic bed, seating area, and another bedroom for the kids with a super wide door. Just a very short distance from Sales Holiday Park is Belmont Baths. Now this is accessed via a ramp. You can go straight into the water. You'll see that there is netting for safety, and so you can bathe securely. And the wonderful thing is just behind it is a accessible bathroom as well as a Moby Beach wheelchair. Now that is both those are accessed via an MLAC key. So if you have an MLAC key, you're able to get hold of the Moby Beach wheelchair, change in the accessible bathroom, and then into the water.